Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of vinyl flooring. With so many options available, it can be tough to decide which type is right for your home. Let us break down the different types of vinyl flooring and help you find the perfect match for your space. Let us get started. Type 1, Vinyl Plank Flooring. Our first type is vinyl plank flooring. This option is incredibly popular because it mimics the look of real hardwood. Vinyl planks are durable, water-resistant, and easy to install, making them a great choice for high-traffic areas like living rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. Type 2, Vinyl Tile Flooring. Next up is vinyl tile flooring. Vinyl tiles are designed to replicate the look of natural stone or ceramic tiles. They're available in a wide range of styles and colors, and they're perfect for creating custom patterns. Type 3, Sheet Vinyl Flooring. Sheet vinyl flooring is another versatile option. It comes in large, continuous sheets, which means there are fewer seams and a more water-resistant surface. This makes sheet vinyl ideal for moisture-prone areas like bathrooms and laundry rooms. Plus, it's available in a variety of designs, from wood to tile looks. Type 4, Luxury Vinyl Flooring LVF. For those looking for a high-end option, luxury vinyl flooring, or LVF, is the way to go. LVF includes both planks and tiles but offers more advanced designs and textures that closely mimic natural materials. It's thicker and more durable than standard vinyl, making it a great choice for any room in your home. Type 5, Rigid Core Vinyl Flooring. Rigid core vinyl flooring is designed for maximum durability and stability. It features a solid core construction that resists dents and dings, making it perfect for high-traffic areas or rooms with heavy furniture. This type of vinyl flooring is also easy to install, thanks to its click-lock system. Type 6, Peel and Stick Vinyl Flooring. These tiles or planks come with an adhesive backing that makes installation a breeze. They're great for quick updates or temporary solutions, and they come in a variety of styles to suit any decor. And there you have it, an overview of the different types of vinyl flooring and how to choose the right one for your home. Whether you're looking for something durable, stylish, or easy to install, there's a vinyl flooring option that's perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite type of vinyl flooring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.